Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring 12 important tips when starting your own vegetable garden. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So, let's get started. Starting a vegetable garden at home is one of the most practical ways to grow fresh food and understand how plants grow from seed to harvest. Many beginners think they need a large yard or years of experience to start gardening, but that is not necessary. A productive vegetable garden can begin with a few containers, a small raised bed, or a simple patch of soil. What matters most is learning the basic needs of plants and building good habits early. The first tip when starting your own vegetable garden is to start small and manageable. Many new gardeners become excited and try to plant too many crops during their first season. A large garden can quickly become difficult to maintain because vegetables require regular watering, weeding, and monitoring. Starting with a smaller space allows you to learn how plants grow and how much care they require. A beginner garden might include a few lettuce plants, a couple of tomato plants, and perhaps some herbs. This small setup makes it easier to observe plant health and understand how sunlight, soil, and water affect growth. Once you gain experience, expanding the garden becomes much easier. The next important step is choosing the right location. Most vegetables require at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Crops such as tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and eggplants rely heavily on strong sunlight to produce fruits. If plants do not receive enough sunlight, they often grow slowly and produce fewer vegetables. Observe your space during the day and identify areas that receive consistent sunlight. Avoid locations that remain shaded by buildings, fences, or large trees. Good airflow is also helpful because moving air helps reduce moisture buildup on leaves and lowers the chance of disease. Another essential factor is soil preparation. Healthy soil supports plant roots, holds moisture, and provides nutrients needed for growth. Many garden soils benefit from improvement before planting vegetables. Start by loosening the soil to a depth of about 8 to 12 inches. This improves drainage and allows roots to grow more easily. Remove rocks, sticks, and other debris that might block root growth. Adding compost is one of the best ways to improve soil quality. Compost increases nutrients and helps the soil hold moisture while still draining properly. Even a small amount mixed into the soil can improve plant health. If you plan to grow vegetables in containers, use a potting mix designed for vegetables. Garden soil is usually too heavy for containers and may cause drainage problems. Next, beginners should choose vegetables that are easy to grow. Some vegetables require very specific conditions, while others grow well with basic care. Starting with easier crops increases the chances of success during your first season. Vegetables that are commonly recommended for beginners include lettuce, radishes, green beans, spinach, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. These plants grow fairly quickly and are generally forgiving if watering or spacing is not perfect. Fast-growing vegetables like radishes and lettuce are also helpful for beginners because they allow gardeners to see results sooner. Another important concept is proper plant spacing. When vegetables are planted too close together, they compete for sunlight, water, and nutrients. Crowded plants also restrict airflow, which can lead to disease problems. Many beginners plant seedlings too closely because the plants look small at first. However, vegetables grow significantly larger as they mature. Always follow the spacing instructions on seed packets or plant labels so plants have enough room to grow. Watering is another area where beginners often struggle. So understanding consistent watering practices is very important. Vegetables need steady moisture to grow properly. The soil should remain moist but not constantly soaked. Inconsistent watering can cause slow growth or problems with fruit development. Water deeply so the moisture reaches the root zone. Deep watering encourages roots to grow downward, where moisture remains stable. Shallow watering only wets the surface and may lead to weak root systems. Early morning is usually the best time to water a vegetable garden. Watering in the morning allows plants to absorb moisture before the heat of the day and helps leaves dry before evening. Using mulch is another helpful method for beginner gardeners. Mulch is a layer of material placed on top of the soil around plants. Organic materials, such as straw, dried leaves, grass clippings, or shredded bark, work well in vegetable gardens. Mulch helps the soil retain moisture and reduces evaporation. It also blocks sunlight from reaching weed seeds, which helps reduce weed growth. Over time, organic mulch breaks down and improves soil structure. Apply mulch around plants while leaving a small space around the stems to prevent excess moisture from collecting directly against the plant. Pest monitoring is another important habit to develop. Insects are a normal part of gardening, but some can damage vegetable plants if populations grow too large. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of insect activity. Look for holes in leaves, insects on stems, or unusual plant damage. Catching pest problems early makes them easier to control. Many small pest issues can be managed by removing insects by hand or spraying them off with water. Fertilizing vegetables properly can also support healthy growth. Vegetables use nutrients from the soil as they grow. Compost added before planting usually provides a strong starting point. Some plants, especially tomatoes and peppers, may benefit from additional feeding during the season. Balanced vegetable fertilizers or organic plant foods can help support growth when used correctly. Avoid using too much fertilizer, as excessive nutrients may cause plants to produce many leaves, but fewer vegetables. Weed control is another necessary part of maintaining a vegetable garden. Weeds compete with vegetables for water, nutrients, and sunlight. If weeds are left alone, they can quickly spread and take resources away from your crops. Removing weeds while they are small makes the task much easier. Hand pulling or using small garden tools works well for most home gardens. Mulching also helps reduce the number of weeds that appear. Another helpful but often looked over habit for beginners is regular observation. Spend a few minutes each day looking closely at your plants. Check whether the soil feels dry or moist, and observe how the leaves look. Changes in leaf color, slow growth, or unusual spots may signal a problem. The sooner these issues are noticed, the easier they are to correct. Regular observation helps beginners understand how their garden responds to weather, watering, and soil conditions. Finally, remember that gardening improves with experience. Each season teaches new lessons about plant care, weather patterns, and crop timing. Some vegetables will grow better than others depending on your location and climate. Keeping simple notes about planting dates, watering habits, and harvest times can help improve future gardens. Over time, these small observations build valuable knowledge that helps gardeners grow healthier and more productive plants. Starting a vegetable garden is a learning process, but with proper planning and regular care, even a small garden can produce fresh vegetables throughout the season. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the 12 important tips when starting your own vegetable garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!